Hi everyone, thank you for attending my presentation. My name is Junyu Ren. I am from Hong University of Science and Technology in China. The topic of my poster is the method for persistent transient stability assessment based on transfer learning. First of all, we introduce the background of our research. Transient stability assessment is of great importance to monitoring and maintaining the stability of the power systems. Driven by data, machine learning can break away from the complex physical mechanisms, realize the knowledge extraction, and obtain the results quickly, which is conducive to realizing the real-time transient stability assessment. This flowchart shows the common framework of transient stability assessment based on machine learning. The model is trained offline with historical data and assesses the real-time state of power systems in the last stage. The problem is that in the actual power systems, grid expansion and reconstruction and some unexpected contingencies may cause the topology change of power systems. Then the accuracy of the original chain model is with new data may jump. It means the original chain model is no longer applicable to the current power systems. Besides, it is too expensive to retrain the model, which requires to collect and label sufficient new data. How to solve the problems? In our proposed method, we construct chain stability assessment model based on ChatterBoost, which is one of the instance-based transfer learning techniques. How does ChatterBoost work? Suppose that flag marks represent the target data. It is very difficult to classify the target data when there are only a few labeled chaining samples. If there are a large number of auxiliary data, a classification surface can be estimated. However, sometimes the auxiliary data may lead to misclassification of the target data, because the distribution of the target data is different from that of the auxiliary data. ChatterBoost's algorithm makes the classification surface move in the correct direction by reducing the weight of the auxiliary data of misclassification and increasing the weight of the target data of misclassification. The modeling process is shown in the figure. We set different topologies of power systems and obtain the data by time domain simulation. And we train the ChatterBoost model with the source data and part of the target data. Then we validate the performance of the model with the rest of the target data. Then we performed our test on CEPRI 36 system, which is an 8-machine 36-bar system. Totally 5 different topology scenarios of the system are set. For example, TS1 represents that there is no outage line in the system, that is the original scenario. TS2 represents the line AC21 is tripped. The rest are similar to the above. Let's assume that the source domain is TS1 and the target domain is TS2. The figure illustrates the simulation results. In the figure, blue represents the result of decision tree, and orange represents the result of transfer decision tree. The orange bar shows that the accuracy of transfer decision tree is from 93.6% to 97.3% also, and the blue bar shows the accuracy of decision tree is from 92.4%. In this slide, we introduce our conclusions. In this paper, transfer learning and power system transient stability assessment are combined, providing a new idea for the study of power system dynamic security. We come to the following conclusions. First, for topology change scenarios of the power systems, the instant-based transfer learning is time-consuming, but can improve the accuracy of the original models. So the trade-off between the two should be considered when applying transfer learning. Second, the transferability of A machine learning model is related with the amount of the target data. The larger the amount of the target data is, the better the transferability will be. Third, the relevance or similarity of different scenarios can be characterized by transferability. Last, the proposed framework is further suitable for other stability assessment, like